Greetings fellow heroes, here's how you can set up and play local multiplayer in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden era. For those of you who don't know, Hot Seat mode is the game's local multiplayer mode where you and your friends play on a single PC, just passing the mouse and keyboard after each player's turn. To set it up, just go to multiplayer on the main menu and select Hot Seat mode. Or you can choose new game then custom game. Both will send you to the game setup page either way. Begin setting up by changing all slots from AI player to just player. Do this by clicking on the icons under the player column, and scrolling down to locate and select player. Just repeat the steps depending on the number of players. You can even include some AI enemies for the other slots if you want. Then let your friends or family choose their desired faction, heroes, and colors on their respective slots. Just a note, Hot Seat mode is not available for online play, so players on the network can't join your game even if you leave a free slot open. After finishing the setup, just start your game and enjoy. And that's basically all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.